Are you struggling to center an image and caption in Bootstrap 4? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get it. You want your figure to look perfect, but sometimes Bootstrap can be tricky. It can be frustrating when the classes you expect to work just don't seem to do the job. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, how can I horizontally center the entire figure in the column? They provided a code snippet and an example image, but the image isn't centering as they hoped. Sound familiar? Let's dive in. So what's happening here? The issue arises because the Bootstrap classes like mxAuto and TextCenter don't always work as expected when used within a figure element. But don't worry, we have solutions. Stay with me. I promise you'll learn a neat trick by the end of this video that will make centering images a breeze. To center the figure, the user should ensure that the figure element itself has the correct Bootstrap classes applied. The user can start by adding the class TextCenter to the figure tag. Next, the user should ensure that the image within the figure is also centered. This can be achieved by using the class mxAuto along with dblock on the image tag. After making these changes, the user should check the overall structure of the HTML to ensure that the classes are applied correctly. This will help in achieving the desired centering effect. Finally, the user can test the web page in a browser to see if the figure is centered as expected. If the image and caption are both centered, the solution is successful. Fun fact, did you know that Bootstrap was originally created by Twitter? It has since become one of the most popular front-end frameworks in the world. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests overriding the figure class in Bootstrap. They recommend setting the display property to table and using auto margins to center the figure. Additionally, they suggest adjusting the figure caption to display as a table caption and center the text. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests adding the classes w-100 and TextCenter to the figure tag. This will help center the entire figure, including the image and caption within the column. And here's the pro tip. Always check the Bootstrap documentation for updates. They frequently add new features that can simplify your coding experience. And there you have it. Your image and caption should now be perfectly centered. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on web development.